Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you a party makeup look having smoky eyes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to apply serum on my face. I have taken this of Lakme and I am going to slowly scrub it on my face so that it gives a finish to my makeup. As you can see that I have applied the serum on my face completely and it will give a fine finish to my face. As I am done with my serum, now I'll do the base makeup. I'll be taking foundation of L'Oreal and I'm going to take a bit of it on the back side of my hands, and with the help of foundation brush I'm going to apply it all around my face. So your face is like a canvas. If the base is good, then the makeup looks pretty awesome all around. So with the help of foundation brush I'm applying this foundation all around my face, and as it is a party makeup look, so I'm going to do the base heavy. As you can see that I have applied foundation all over my face. Now with the help of the foundation brush I am going to gently blend it so that it looks well mixed up with my skin. Use the foundation brush with your soft hands. Don't use it with too hard hands. Just softly blend it all around your face. You can see it how amazingly this foundation is working, and it has given a full coverage to my face. Now with the help of concealer I am going to give a shade to my eyebrows. So make very sure that your eyebrows are well trimmed and they are defined. I have applied this concealer, then with the help of foundation brush I am going to gently dab this. If you want, you can take the help of sponge, but I am more comfortable with this foundation brush, so I am using this. Yeah, I'm done with my eyebrows. Now I am going to cover my dark circles. I'm going to apply a bit of concealer underneath my eyes. This also with the help of foundation brush I am going to gently blend into my skin. So that all my dark circles are covered and my makeup looks pretty well. One tip I would like to give to all my viewers is that invest in a good makeup products and also invest in one makeup brush kit, because if you are having a good kind of brushes, your makeup goes very well. You can get one makeup brush kit from Amazon or Flipkart. If you are a beginner, you can invest in a cheap one, but do invest in it. Yeah, as you can see that I have been done with my eyes. Now to set my foundation, I'm going to apply the loose powder all around my face. Start with the eye makeup. So first of all, I am going to apply the beige color on my eyes. It's a skin tone, so I'm going to apply it all around my eyes, dusting off the extra powder. As you can see that I am done with this peach color. Now I am going to take a bit of this light brown shade and I am going to apply this shade all around my eyes. As you can see that I have applied this brown shade all around my eyes. Now I am going to take black color. So I am going to take a bit of it. I am going to apply this black color from the outer edge of my eyes. As I am done with both of my eyes, now I am going to do a cut crease. So with the help of this concealer stick, I'm going to apply it. Now I am going to take this golden shade from my eyeshadow palette and I am going to do the transition. Make sure that when you are doing the smoky eyes, you do not take black color in large quantity. Just take a bit of it and dust off the extra powder what you are having. And in the similar manner, I am going to do for my other eyes. To my eyes, I'll be using this navy blue shade and I'll taking a bit of it and I'll be doing a bit in between both my eyes so as to give a transition effect. And I'll gently merge both of my shades. I'm going to apply some golden glittery powder on my eye. So first of all, I'm going to apply this glue on my eyes. This is a eye glue which you get into the market. I am having a loose golden powder. So I'm going to take a bit of it and going to gently place all around my eyes, because it's a party makeup look. I'm going to apply a bit of eyeliner underneath my eyes. I'll be going to apply this eyeliner on the waterline of my eyes. Now I'm going to take this black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend it underneath my eyes also. To take this ivory shade and I'm going to apply it with my eyes. As you can see that now I am done with my eye makeup. Now I'll come to my face. First of all, I'll do some of contouring on my face. So I am having this Nykaa concealer and contouring palette. So I'm going to take this dark brown shade and with the help of my fingers I'm going to apply it. Now with the help of my foundation brush, I am going to gently dab this contour powder or contour cream on my face. Make sure while blending this contour cream on your face, you do not erase the lines. You have to gently dab this in this way on your skin so that the lines are visible and they give a 3D look to your face. The bones of your face look well defined and your face looks more slimmer. As you can see that now I am done with my contouring. So now I am going to apply blushers on the apple of my cheeks. I am going to take a bit of this pink blusher, dusting off the extra powder. As I am done with the blusher, now I am going to apply some of the highlighter on my skin. I love this part because your skin looks so shiny, so bright. I actually love blushers and highlighter because they change the way you look. Nice bit of it on my nose also. Now I'm going to apply false lashes on my eyes that I'm going to do offline. As you can see that I have applied the false lashes and I'm done with my makeup. See how amazing it looks. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and for more such notifications, don't forget to hit the bell button. Till then, bye bye, take care.